Hello everyone. In today's class, children, we will learn about conjunctions. We will learn about conjunctions. Why do we need conjunctions, children? Why do we need them? What is the use? Before that, I'm going to write some very interesting facts about Tom and Jerry. Tom is a handsome cat. He has long whiskers. He has white paws. He has a friend. His friend's name is Jerry. He spends his time chasing Jerry. He spends his time listening to his master. He only chases Jerry. Jerry always puts him in trouble. Tom and Jerry are best friends. Oh my god, too many sentences. How I can write and remember all those? So, we can join these sentences by using conjunctions. Now, shall we write the sentences again by using the conjunctions? Tom is a handsome cat. He has long whiskers and white paws. He has a friend and his name is Jerry. He spends his time chasing Jerry or listening to his master. He only chases Jerry because Jerry always puts him in trouble. But they are best friends. So you can see the difference here. So and, or, because, but. We used these conjunctions to write these sentences again. So conjunctions will help us to connect words, phrases, clauses and sentences. They are also called as connectors. Most commonly used conjunctions are and, but, or, because, if. So, we will learn one by one with examples. But he hit the ball, he dropped the bat. He hit the ball but dropped the bat. One more. Rohan plays well but he is an impatient player. So, but is used to express opposite ideas or contrast ideas. Okay. So, next we will go with and. The bird can fly, the bird can hop. The bird can fly and hop. The bird can fly as well as hop. One more example. This Friday is a holiday and I would like to go to the fair. So, and is used to add the information. And is used to add the information. Next, or. We can eat pizza, we can eat burger. Here two options are there. We can eat pizza or burger. So when we have a choice, we have an option, that time we can use or. What would you prefer? An ice cream or a chocolate? So or is used to show a choice or an alternative. Next, so. We use so to express a result. Examples, I studied hard, so I passed the test. He played football in the rain, so he got sick. She was very tired, so she went to bed early. I had not done my homework, so I apologized to my teacher. So is used to express the consequence. Consequence. Next is because. Because is used to express a reason for something. I passed the test because I studied hard. He was sick because he had played football in the rain. She went to bed early because she was very tired. So, because is used to express the reason for something. One more example I would like to give you. Nishi was happy because she won the painting contest. She won the painting contest, so she is very happy. If is used to express the condition. If it is sunny tomorrow, we can go to the zoo. If you work hard, you will succeed in life. If you work hard, you will succeed in life. Now we will solve some examples. Okay. I would like to go dash I have to study for my test tonight. I would like to go but I have to study for my test. I can't speak German because it is very difficult language. There you have to use because. Okay. He can play tennis dash golf very well. He can play tennis and golf very well. There you have to use and. Next, fourth one. There are lots of cars dash parking can be difficult. There are lots of cars. What will you use there? So, yes. So, parking can be difficult. He didn't arrive in time dash he got up late. He didn't arrive in time. Why? So you have to tell the reason because he got up late. Next, do you want tea dash coffee with your breakfast? So here two options are there. You have to use or. Do you want tea or coffee with your breakfast? The potatoes are too salty dash I can't eat them. The potatoes are too salty, so I can't eat them. Next one. She drinks tea dash eats toast for breakfast. She drinks tea and eats toast for breakfast. There you have to use and. Next one. He was frightened dash he had been watching a horror movie. Here you have to tell the reason why he was frightened. Because he had been watching a horror movie. Last one. They didn't study. They failed the exam. They didn't study. So they failed the exam. So you have to tell the reason here. So condition. Okay, I hope everyone understood. We will solve some more worksheets in the online classes, children. So I hope everyone understood very well. Now I hope everyone is clear with the conjunctions. Thank you so much. We will meet in the next class with a new concept or new topic. Okay, children. Goodbye.